gonna have some fun. So guys, let me tell you a little bit about what's going on. Baily's Hyperformance called me and they said, Pedro, we know you love performance, we know you love Mopars, we have just a car for you. And they sat me in this Race Star Hellcat, and it is sitting at right under 1,000 horsepower. Now, I own a Hellcat myself, and those suckers sit at 707, so I'm really excited to know what all the fuss is about. You know, you got all this horsepower that we're adding on, and not just that, I want to make sure that it feels good. Something that I love about my Hellcat is that when I get in and I sit in, I know that this sucker is going to take me wherever I wanted to go, whether it's down the street or to the grocery store where my wife decides to send me. So let's have some fun. The appearance package outside, and it wows you from just looking at this car. But right now, we're going to test out the performance side of it. And man, as soon as that Whipple supercharger turned on, I knew that we were in for a treat. So you guys might not see a lot of reactions from me because I'm probably screaming inside. This is already intense. Javier told me or asked me if I was nervous, and I said no automatically because it's just another Hellcat, right? We're about to have some fun together. And Chris just told us, he said, you guys make sure to come back. And that's the plan today. Javier, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready. All right, guys. And here we oh my God. So you guys know that anytime you buy a car, that at the first couple of weeks you're nervous, you're getting used to it, but then you start to be relaxed because you know what's coming. And look, I'm sweating. That was intense. That holy crap. Because this is really an experience. It really is. Like, we are driving a dream vehicle. And from the factory, as a Mopar owner, when I talk to other owners, the Hellcat, you have to respect it. It's a vehicle that you know is going to get on the road and it's going to make people's feelings hurt. And the fear that I have as an owner is the fact that when we start modifying, when we start doing this and adding that performance, and hey, you know, more power to it. I want as much performance as I can get, but I want to make sure that it doesn't break down on me, that it's reliable, that I don't have to worry about it, that I can take it out for a drive right now and not have to worry about, man, am I going to go too far? Do I have to call a wrecker? Is something going to happen? And this car, sitting at right under 1,000 horsepower with the upgraded supercharger, some really nice, tires from Mickey Thompson, and everything else that we've done to it, it's perfect. I think, you know how these cars have warning signs on them sometimes, or anything that's fast? I think Baily's needs to put somewhere right here to not forget to breathe. My car's up next, guys.